Okay, now that the stabilizer bar is out, I'm going to go ahead and replace these little links here on each end. You can see that they're pretty well worn out. Okay, it's an 18mm nut, and this is a T40 star bit. I'll be using this AC Delco replacement. Comes with two nice new locking nuts. This box came taped, which tells me somebody's been into it before, and I wondered why. This is a locking nut, and you can see it's oblong. So I'm going to use the old locking nut because this one is no good, and I believe the other one in the package is no good as well. Book says torque on these is 53 foot-pounds. I don't know. Seems like a lot. I think I'll put that on when it's in the car. Okay, the other side comes off the same way. I believe there is like a where you can get a wrench on there right there, a flat spot. Okay, that one's on there. Time to go put it back in the car. Alrighty then. I'll try and weasel this thing back up in there. Starting one side at a time, maybe. Okay. Okay. That'll keep that one on there. And I'm putting on the other side now. Alright, got it started. I think I'll give them a shot with a little oil. A little light oil. And then I'm going to position these where they go on each side. Maybe put them down to torque. Yeah, let's shoot to the other side now. Okay, I'm gonna put this side up. And come back and check them for torque. Alignment feels good. Let me get the driver's side now. Okay, I might as well torque those down to 43 foot-pounds while I'm at it. Okay, torquing this down to 43 foot-pounds. Okay, and I'll do the other side. Okay, that's got that. Okay, let's see if this will work. 53 foot-pounds. That seems like an awful lot. I'm going to check that. I don't believe 53. I really don't. Okay, 53 seems like a little much. I don't know why. It seems like an awful lot. So I'll put the back one on. That's 45, excuse me, 40. And I think I'll put the front one on at 40 as well. So, book says 53. So I'm going to go 40 on these. And if I'll check them. If they loosen up, yeah, I'll put them at 53. .40 seems plenty tight, and by putting a little lubricating oil on it, I might have them down a little tighter than 40. Okay, on to the other side. Use a little Torx bit and the wrench to get it down to where it holds. Then I can probably get some torque on it from there. Okay, let's see if that did the trick. It certainly did. Now 40 seemed a little loose on this side. I don't know why. Okay. I think 53 would be better. Let's try the top. 53 on the top would be extremely tight. It could be that the bottoms take different than the tops. I don't know. I don't see why they would do that. So, torsion bar is on. This job is completed. And hope it wasn't too boring. You've probably seen this a million times. Most thing about torsion bars is they kind of fight you like you saw. Holding them up, putting them in place. Some go real easy, but every once in a while. So, this is Cars, Trucks, and Detours coming to you from outside the left driver's side fender well of a 1998 Corvette C5. And I want to thank all you for subscribing and watching, and until the next video, yep, bye for now.